Hello again, lovelies. Rebecca here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to another Trace Jolie Kit Club unboxing. So just so you know, I am missing a few pieces. Kim mailed these off well in advance and the post office actually lost a package and it didn't arrive for almost a month. And when it did arrive, my husband described it as the post office looked like they dropped it in water, let it get rained on, and then ran it over. So she is sending me some makeup mixed media stuff, which is totally fine. So I have my 3 kits, and we're going to go through it. Your products will not be beat up by the post office. So we've got, let's start with this, I believe is the scrapbooking collection. All right. Just tuck that in there, right? All right, we have, oh, look at these. Oh, and they're perforated for you. No fussy cutting needed. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Are you guys looking at this gloriousness? I see all kinds of heritage layouts. If you do heritage layouts, this is the kit you want to pick up. Oh, so much fun. And pocket cards. Everything is perforated, which makes it me very happy. This paper really does look like it's crinkled, but it is not. It is completely straight. So we've got some 8.5 by 11, it looks like, with a beautiful like canvas piece in the back. This piece right here, oh, look at that, with all those fun cameras. Another nice monotone on the back. Oh, this is just so fun. Look at all of these. You guys have got to pick this up. Also, just so you know, I have partnered with Kim in my mixed media classes. So you can sign up for that class, and Kim is providing the mixed media for the class. So, yes, so much fun. So if you want to sign up, just drop a little email or a message down below and we'll get you signed up. And you're going to get one of these specially curated kits for the mixed media class. And it is like a beginner's level into an intermediate. Oh, I love that. Oh, look at this. We can do so much fun mixed media on this. Huh, it says let's ride. Oh my god, this is like perfect mixed media. So like I said, your papers will not be bent. This one's fun. It does mess with me because the A's were upside down, but I feel like it's supposed to be. Nice little polka dot. Another one of those bigger Let's Rad. And then a grid. So many fabulous backgrounds. B. A little like riveted metal piece with big. And I'm telling you, the mixed media is pretty much already done on these. Oh, a little beach cabana layout. So cute. I'm straightening the edge out as I talk to you guys. And then this with just a few pops of the orange. Oh my goodness gracious. Ooh, love that too. And then here is the cut apart piece. Oh, and on the back is the camera. Oh my goodness. So that's, and all my kits, you guys, it was all so mixed up. My local postmaster lady tried to make it right. She even told my husband, she was like, I tried to get everything as straight as possible, and he was like, it's okay. She was fairly certain that there was going to be damage to it. So, okay. So there is the first kit. And then we do have this very fun canvas piece from Vinabar. It's a resist canvas. So that's fun. It's a 12 by 12 piece. So let's see if I can get this all stuck in a baggie. I combine them throughout the month. So when I do a project, I just go ahead and use them all together. We do have this fabulous 6.5 by 6.5 paper pad here. Let's go ahead and pull that out. from Vintage Tea Collection, and it is by Couture Creations. I've got something stuck on my finger. All right. Oh my word. So you get 3 of each design. Oh my god, look at that pink. I just want to make like a mini album now with this entire thing. Oh, I can totally see fussy cutting. Oh, coming up with ideas. I am planning while I'm looking at it, you guys. Oh, look at the heart. And some music notes. Beautiful florals over here. Oh my word, that is simply gorge. Alright, and then we have some of these Hello Pastel Vintage Trinkets from Prima. Sorry about the dog. So one says Hello Spring, and they've kind of fallen, but you know the reason why. I am not going to go ahead and open this up, but look at all these fun florals from the Vintage Tea collection. Oh, these are beautiful Prima flowers. Oh, those are fun. Ooh, and Satan crystals. Look at that. Plus that very fun background right there. Nice, nice. You could use the background on your page from Prima as well. That is so fun. Okay. And then over here, I've got 3 very, very big wooden, wood laser cut items. And I assume my mixed media was in here as well, which the mixed media this month is awesome, so I can't wait to get that. And then some tickets and laser cuts. We'll put those, we'll keep those together. And then we've got some flowers. They did not get damaged. That makes me happy. So these are Prima flowers, and they're like, trying to think of like crepe paper looking. Oh, and some Finnabar Prima metal numbers. That's fun. Oh my word! Look at these from Prima and Finnabar. Am I saying that? Finnabar. Oh. So that is the collection. So you guys stay tuned to see what I make all month long with this fabulous, most gorgeous collection. And you guys, this is like the best kit club ever. So please head on over to Jolie. Link will be down below. And pick yourself up your next kit. And I'll see you later. Bye.